We can't see.
Pleasant afternoon to all of you. We are Group 2 and we will present our masterpiece that is all about protecting Mother Nature and to help you to contribute to our nature to make it a better place.
As you can see, this drawing, the center is God and He is holding a heart. It means that the heart means that we must love God's creation. And you can see the heart has a chain because it means that we must maintain our love to our nature and also to God's creation.